Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.7 on VMware workstation. First go to Oracle official website and download it is oracle.com. Then click on products, then click on Linux, then download Oracle Linux, then select ISO images. See here Oracle Linux installation media for x86 and ARM. Click on it. See here we have the different types of images: full ISO, UVK, boot ISO, put ISO, source ISO. Okay, you can check the differences. And see here we have the 9.7 full ISO, boot ISO, source ISO, whatever you want you can select. In boot ISO, see here we have the boot ISO and boot UK ISO. I am going to download this DVD full ISO, that is DVD ISO. Click on it to download. See download started, go to download. See here its size is about 13.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse and select the downloaded DVD ISO, Oracle Linux ISO. See here I have the Oracle Linux 9.7 selected. Click on next. Now provide the name. I am giving Oracle 9.7 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the location where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to change like memory or any of these components, click on customize hardware. I want to give memory 4 gigabytes. You can provide memory in megabytes here. Then click on close. Don't select this power on this virtual machine and click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just click on it and click on edit virtual machine settings. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 9.7 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. Okay. Click on installation destination. I am okay with the defaults. Click on done. Then root account or root password. See, by default it is lock, unlock it. It is up to you whether you want to lock it or unlock it. Now set the password for the root account. Confirm the same. If you want to allow root SSH login with password, select checkbox and click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as R2 schools. This is a username, and if you want to make this user as administrator, you have to select the checkbox. Then set the password for this user. Then click on done. Software selection. See, by default it has selected server GUI, or if you want only server, you have to select this one. Based on these base environments, this additional software information will change. So if you want to install this DNS name server, if you have to select the checkboxes, it is up to you. Whatever you want you can select. Then click on done. Then remaining I am going with all defaults. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password. Now thanks. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed Oracle Linux 9.7. Now verify the IP of the machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Control A. The first step after connecting to Oracle Linux 9.7 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then put the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.7 on VMWare workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.